आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे
to welcome everyone.
And respected members of the Legislative Assembly, Shri Baji Reddy Govardhan and Shri Ganesh Gupta ji, Shri District Collector Shri M.R.M. Rao, ladies on the dais and the gentlemen on the dais, we welcome you to the opening of our. With our 25 stores already operational, our growth journey has been very, very promising, and we have been opening stores quite rapidly this year. I think a big thank you is due to the state government, the state of Telangana, which has been at the forefront of ease of doing business, and in the last 3-4 years, it has either been a number 1 or a number 2. And we have seen and make the store open much faster. So thank you very much. We have the pipeline also for Telangana looks very promising, as we will continue to open stores here in Warangal, which should be coming up within this year, and then next year we have plans to open more stores in Nacharam in Hyderabad, Kukatpalli in Hyderabad. We've also opened one more store one more fulfillment center actually in Hyderabad. So Telangana is a very high priority state for us, and what I feel good about Telangana is that with all the support that we get, we also get very good talent sometimes to show them what are the best practices. The second important thing is sourcing. So 95% or more than 95% of all our requirements are sourced from within the country. And whenever we open more stores in a particular state, our effort is to increase the regional sourcing from the same state. And here I have some details which I would like to read out, where we are increasing now gradually as we've opened the store in, after the Hyderabad store, we opened the store in Karimnagar this year. And this is the third store as we open this year. Each of the stores has a potential to create 2,000 jobs. And this store also, in terms of direct and indirect employment, will create 2,000 jobs. Just within the store, our overall store labor will be more than 300. Some are outsourced and some are direct labor. And we also have semi-skilled as well as skilled labor here. But more importantly, when we open a store, the economy around starts flourishing, and suppliers, the kirana stores, the hotels, restaurants, caterers, offices, institutions, their business also starts booming and they start employing people. I'll come back to the sourcing from farmers very soon, but one of the things that I want to talk about is also the focus on Kirana Development Program. We want to help them with reaching out to their customers directly and growing their business. We also sell them at the lowest cost, sir. We compete with the modern trade outlets. And Walmart remains extremely committed to the environment. And as we were speaking to you, sir, earlier, that we are focused on net zero goals for air, water and solid waste. What it means is that we introduce measures like rainwater harvesting, solar panels on the roof to generate 30% of our requirements of electricity right within ourselves. We have plans to increase that number as we go forward, and solid waste, for instance, converting solid waste, someday we will be able to take them global as well, because we do source for our global requirements also from the country. We are currently working with small and marginal to source vegetables such as cucumber, tomato, chili and okra. and we're also working with the SERP team to develop safely ripened mango from Mehboob. Sir, we are committed to creating shared value as we continue to grow our business, and we are committed to creating a lot of local employment in the process, and we would be guided by you and your team and the government in terms of what more can we do to help the state of Telangana become even stronger. It is a strong state and developing and growing very rapidly, and we want to be a part of the growth story of state of Telangana. And may I now request you, sir, to say a few words.
Right, because this basically serves the retailers. It's like a wholesale creating opportunities to the locals and serving the community which is around. Thank you very much to have brought this store to Nizamabad, because it's a huge store, and the Nizamabad will be most promising among all the towns which are in Telangana, because Nizamabad has been a huge market for various things, because there's a railway junction over here. A lot of stuff is coming down from Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and several different places from the country. We trade in grains and plastic and steel. I think since childhood we had a huge market in Gandhi Chowk. Now I think Gandhi Chowk will be decentralized, and the market will be shifted here. And there's a huge parking space outside. And thank you, because that was a huge backdrop. It was a huge drawback in Nizamabad market. Thank you very much, and I thank you for giving this opportunity to say these few words about Walmart. Thank you very much.
The legislature, Mr. Bajireddy Govardhan garu, Mr. Bigala Ganesh Gupta garu, and the other leaders and ladies in the dais, Mr. Krish Iyer and the best prize, and his entire team, including the people who were clapping when we are entering the hall itself, and other dignitaries who are present here, press and media. First of all, let me congratulate Mr. Krish Iyer and his entire team for bringing this best prize store, which is 26th in India and 3rd in Telangana, with a 56,000 SFT area, which is I think the largest in Telangana as far as I know. More interesting thing and more promising thing is that Telangana as a state, which has been scoring very highly and consistently in the ease of doing business. The live example is here, the best price shop which is being inaugurated today. Wholesalers, businessmen, all across the globe to come to Telangana and invest in Telangana, increase the income of Telangana people. I'm happy to know that the sourcing of employment, the 145 people who are directly in the store and around 150 would be indirectly employed. Most of them are from Nizamabad and local area, except for a few people in the higher management. So very, very happy to note that. Similarly, the sourcing of material is also local. He has explained several things from different districts also. But let me tell you, Nizamabad has high potential for procurement of paddy. We have been procuring paddy, which is highest in the state for the last 2 seasons consecutively. Similarly, there is a lot of potential for turmeric and value addition to turmeric, because turmeric is being grown in Nizamabad. Unlike several districts or several places in the country, it is grown in only few areas. So there is a lot of potential for procurement, sourcing of turmeric and value addition to that. That would in turn help not many women, and that would help women entrepreneurs also, by the way. Similarly, we have a lot of potential for corn, maize. Value addition can be done for that. And we are discussing about zero net goal in terms of energy. That's very, very encouraging. We are discussing about the fans, which you can see, the large fans, which will be pushing down the cold air. We should aim for zero, net zero in fact earlier than what you have promised us. We would be happy to note that. And you should be harvesting whatever rainwater that is there. It's a large roof area that should percolate to the ground. And I'm thanking you B2B, so you would be directly selling to wholesalers, but the benefit should pass on to the consumers ultimately through the retailers, and whatever price marking down that is given should ultimately pass on to the consumers. That is the final test. Otherwise, if only some people in the middle of the chain will be making profit, that is not the best thing to be happening. That should actually reach the consumers. I think that would be helped by you, all of you, and it should give good quality products for people. That should be one more goal. And satisfaction of the customer, that is also one of the important things. And unlike other stores and other places, I think you have a large parking space, exactly like in the US, we have this system. I'm happy to note that. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all. And
make a lot of people to those who know Telugu, right? And dignitaries on the dais, our elder brother, Honorable MLA, Bajreti Governor, District Collector, Mr. Rao Garu, and Mr. Jagan, ZPTC, and Indira, or MPTC, sorry, MPP, sorry. And ZPTC, okay, ZPTC, and Mrs. Bajreti Garu, and Mr. Krish Iyer, and Murli, and Varma, those who are in touch with me for this program and all, and other your colleagues, and landlord, I call him as my grandfather, Mr. Mural Narakrishna Gupta Garu. And they told me in the beginning that Walmart is coming to Nizamabad. I was very happy. And just now I came into the store, as soon as I stepped in, I was telling all of you that I'm feeling like in the US. Because we don't make any difference with US and the store. And as you said, this is the third store in Telangana. And we are happy to know that. I didn't know that. So KTR Garu was putting a lot of efforts. He called me related to the stores. And Mr. Jayesh, who was the secretary industries also, he called me a couple of times to provide the water line and all that. I spoke to Mr. Murli operatively. This place doesn't come under the corporation before some time. Now it is part of corporation. So the water supply cannot be given to the stores from the Nizamabad municipality. But we have explained our council what is the need of giving pipeline to your stores. And the local you are recruiting all the employees from sourcing from the local. So our people are getting employment. And also I appreciate you are sourcing all vegetables and chilies from our Warangal district, and not just for the stores of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. As you said, you want to supply it for all over India and also globally. And thanks on behalf of our farmers. And really very happy. Nizamabad is growing. Like global stores are coming to Nizamabad. Like Walmart, Best Price. And as Jagan was in US, Jagan knows pretty well about this also. And we have been to so many times, we found, and always we used to think, why don't we have in India? So yes, Delhi had, Bombay had, why not in Nizamabad? So now we are very happy that we have in Nizamabad as well. So thanks for your this thing, and I congratulate all your Walmart and Best Price team, Mr. Krish and all your team, and any problem. See, Nizamabad people are very sweet and very nice. You won't have any problem. If you have any problems in future, we are here for 5 more years in the government. Me and my brother Bajreti Garu. We are here to help you, and definitely will help you. And landlord is also our good friend, dear friend. So you don't get any trouble from anywhere. But if you get any problem, if you have any problem, you please, you knock our door, we'll be always with you. Thank you and good luck.
నిజామాబాద్ పరిసర ప్రాంతమైనటువంటి మాధవ్ నగర్ ఒక ఫేమస్ వాల్మార్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ కూడా రావడం నేనైతే ఊహించలేదు. అమెరికాలో చూసిన నేను ఇండియాలో ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను చూస్తున్నాను కూడా మన నిజామాబాద్లో. నిజామాబాద్లో రావడం నాకు గర్వంగా ఉంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇది నా ప్రాంతం ఉంది కాబట్టి నాకు గర్వంగా ఉంది. మా కనికృప్త సోదరుడు నా ఎంఆర్ఎం రావు గారు, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ గారు, అండ్ వర్మ గారు, మురళి గారు, జగన్, ఇందిరా, సుజాత, వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఈ వాల్మార్ట్ స్టోర్ రావడం ఏదైతుందో, నాకు ఇక్కడ రావడం ఏదైతుందో, దీనివల్ల కొంత నష్టం జరిగిన, అంటే రిటైల్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి నష్టం జరిగిన ప్రజలకు అందరికీ సౌకర్యంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ప్రజలకు తక్కువ ధరకు కంపెనీ రేట్స్కే ఇక్కడ ఈ యొక్క వస్తువు దొరకడం, అదేవిధంగా దానివల్ల అధిక రేటుతో అమ్మేటటువంటి వ్యాపారస్తులకు కూడా ఇది చెక్ పెట్టేటైతే ఇక్కడ దానివల్ల కూడా ప్రజలకు డైరెక్ట్గా లాభం అందే పరిస్థితుంది. అదేవిధంగా యువకులు చాలామంది ఇక్కడ నిరుద్యోగులు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి యువకులకు కూడా ఒక ఉపాధి కల్పించే విషయంలో మరి వాల్మార్ట్ చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతున్నది. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది నాకు, ఎందుకంటే చాలామంది మా దగ్గరికి వస్తారు, అన్న మా ఊరికి ఏదైనా ఉద్యోగం చూపెట్టు, ఏదైనా చిన్న పోస్ట్ పెట్టు, డిగ్రీ చేస్తాడు, ఒడికి తిరుగుతూ ఉంటాడు, ఏదైనా పోస్ట్ని పర్లేదన్న చూపించినప్పుడు మాకు బాధ వేస్తుంది. ఇలాంటి వాల్మార్ట్ లాంటి ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఎంత ఎక్కువ వస్తే అంతమంది యువకులకు ఉపాధి మరి దొరుకుతుందనేటువంటి సంతోషం నాకు ఉంది, వాళ్ళకంటే నాకుంది. అదేవిధంగా రెండో విషయం ఏంటంటే వాల్మార్ట్ కంపెనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది డైరెక్టర్ ఈజ్ హిల్లరీ క్లింటన్. ఐ థింక్ ఇక్కడ ఉందో తెలియదు నాకు, కానీ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో హర్ ఫ్యాన్. వాల్మార్ట్ నాకు ప్రత్యేకమైన అభిమానం నాకు. అందుకని వాల్మార్ట్ నిజామాబాద్కి వస్తే నేను ఎప్పుడు ఊహించలేను, నిజామాబాద్ వాల్మార్ట్ వస్తే నేను ఊహించలేను. రిలయన్స్ వచ్చిందంటే రిలయన్స్ ప్రతిదాని ఉండే కాబట్టి ఓకే, కానీ వాల్మార్ట్ లాంటి కంపెనీ నిజామాబాద్ జిల్లా స్థాయికి వస్తే నేను ఊహించలేను. తెలంగాణలో నెంబర్ 3 ఇది. కాబట్టి మరి 3వ ప్రాంతంగా నిజామాబాద్ ఎన్నుకోవడం కూడా మరి కంపెనీకి ఉన్నటువంటి అభిప్రాయం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మంచి బిజినెస్ అవుతుంది అనే సర్వే చేసిన తర్వాతనే మార్కెటింగ్లోకి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి వారు రావడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడే గణేష్ గుప్తా గారు చెప్పినట్టు నా సహకారం, వారి సహకారం, కలెక్టర్ గారి సహకారం, ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరి సహకారం కూడా పూర్తిగా మీకు ఉంటుంది. రెండో విషయం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ సరే ఈ జిల్లా ఎక్కువగా రైస్ ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ రైస్ అండ్ టర్మరిక్ అవసరమైతే మీకు రైస్ బిజినెస్ చేసేవాళ్ళు చాలా టాప్ లెవెల్లో ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. మా టైరేవే దగ్గర बहुत टॉप लेवल है, उन्हें यूएस भी सप्लाई करता हूँ రైస్. అలాంటి వ్యక్తులు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. రెండో ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ఈ జిల్లా హెడ్ క్వార్టర్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఫేమస్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారంటే ఈవెన్ ఎయిర్ ఇండియా ఫ్లైట్కి టికెట్లు కూడా ప్రింట్ ఇక్కడ చేస్తుంది తెలుసా. ఎయిర్ ఇండియా ఫ్లైట్ టికెట్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేసి నేను చూసాను. ఇప్పుడు టికెట్ ఇప్పుడు లేవు, అప్పుడు టికెట్లు నేను చూసిన వీళ్ళు ప్రింట్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ. అలాంటి ఫేమస్ వ్యక్తులు ఈ జిల్లాలో ఉన్నారు. మరి వారి సహకారం కూడా తీసుకొని మీరు బిజినెస్ కోసం తప్పకుండా వారు సహకరిస్తారు మీకు. ఈవెన్ రైస్ సప్లై కానీ, తర్వాత టర్మరిక్ సప్లై కానీ, టోటల్గా మీరు ఇక్కడ ప్రాంతం తీసుకుంటే రైతులు కూడా సంతోషపడతారు. ఎందుకంటే చాలా ప్రొక్యూర్ చేస్తే మీకు కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చెప్తున్నా. చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఇక్కడ మా గణేష్ గుప్తా గారు మంచి లీడరే కాకుండా మంచి బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్ కూడా. ఫస్ట్ నేను అనుకుంటా మీ కాన్సెస్ వచ్చిందంటే సంతోషం నాకు. మరి ఇవాళ మా అందరిని ఇక్కడ ఆహ్వానించి మరి మాకు గౌరవించినందుకు మీ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను. జై తెలంగాణ.
I did not, because I am a Tamilian, so little bit I could understand. But thank you very much for your words of encouragement.
ఏంటంటే మీ కిరాణా స్టోర్ చిన్న 100 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ స్టోర్ అతనికి పడుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే అతను ఎంఆర్పీ కంటే ఎక్కువ అమ్మలేడు. సో ఇవాళ ఏమవుతుందంటే నిన్న 10% మార్జిన్ వచ్చేదానికి మేము ఇవాళ 15% మార్జిన్ ఆ చిన్నతనికి ఇస్తున్నాం. రేపు ఆయన కానీ బిజినెస్ కానీ
he will sell it to consumer, final consumer. Correct. Okay. And the one who is coming to your store to buy, otherwise you would have gone to the wholesale.
Probably wholesale or
So you will give the competitive price to me.
Yes,
So then
absolutely.
Correct.
Absolutely.
For all the brands.
Yeah, absolutely.
And 14 days credits.
So we also provide some credit facilities for them.
Okay.
10 రోజుల తర్వాత లేకపోతే అలాగా 14 డేస్ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు పే చేసుకోవడానికి అట్లా కూడా ఆఫీస్కి పెట్టండి. సో అన్ని ఆఫర్స్ అవి కూడా మేము ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాం వాళ్ళకి.
చాలా అయితే
వాళ్ళకి తగిన రేటు, ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ అన్నీ మనం కల్పించి వాళ్ళని పైకి తీసుకురావాలి. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ లేని వాళ్ళకి స్టార్ ఎలా తీసుకురావడం అనేది మనం వాళ్ళకి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటాం.
is about job creation. Direct and indirect jobs of 2,000 for every store that we open. We are very excited about this opportunity to serve people of Nizamabad, and we will continue to expand in other geographies as well in and around Nizamabad. So with this, I would like to really take some questions from the media. If you have any questions to ask, we'll be happy to answer them. I think between 250 to 300 who are working in the premises.
Walmart may have own brand.
Walmart has its own brand also. It's called Members Mark as well as Great Value. And so we have three brands actually. Members Mark, Great Value and Right Buy. And wherever there are gaps, that we fulfill through private brand.
Maybe the home brands.
I'm sorry?
Maybe the home brand of Walmart.
Home brands of Walmart are these three. Yeah, but the sales is much smaller and our major focus is on bigger brands, national brands, and taking them to the... Eventually, what we have to do is give the customer and the member what the member wants. So that's what we do. And demand for national brands as well as regional brands is also quite high.
Thank you very much, Andy. నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇక్కడే అందుబాటులో ఉంటాను. ఎప్పుడు మీరు వచ్చినా I'll always ready to serve you. Thank you very much once again. Open అండి 9 AM to 9 PM. Sundays కూడా open.
నిరంతర న్యూస్ అప్డేట్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ సింబల్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అప్డేట్స్ ను మిస్ అవ్వకండి.